Okay, so in this video I'm going to teach you how to make a ball out of a 24-piece magic snake. In this video I'm going to use my vintage Hungarian snake from 1981. I think that makes it 38 years old. But yeah, let's do this. Okay, so before we actually start making this snake into a ball, we need this first piece, to be sloped like this, rather than it being sloped like that. And so this piece we turn towards us. 1, 2, this piece we turn towards us. Then we move the snake like this, and this piece we move downwards like that. 1, 2, this piece we move away from us, and then turning the snake this way. 1, 2, this piece we turn downwards, and then turning the snake this way like this. 1, 2, this piece we turn upwards like that, and then turning the snake this way. 1, 2, 3, this piece we turn towards us, and then turning the snake like this. We need to now move this piece that way, so this white triangle will match with this white triangle, like that. So this piece we turn downwards like that, turning the snake this way. No, actually, turning it this way. 1, 2, we move this piece towards us like that. Turning the snake this way. 1, 2, 3, we move this piece upwards. Turning the snake this way. We need to move this piece in that direction, so this white triangle and this white triangle will meet up like that. This triangle we move away from us like this, and then we turn the snake this way. So 1, 2, this piece we move away from us or upwards. 1, 2, 3, this piece we move towards us like that. 1, 2, this piece we move downwards, and then 1, 2, this piece we move to the left like that. Now turning the snake so it's this way. It's kind of hard to turn it because like this is banging into the table. Let's adjust the camera actually. So what we need to do is we need to move this piece in that direction to make this white triangle meet with this white triangle. So we just turn it like that. So turning the snake this way. Let's see. So 1, 2, 3, turn this triangle upwards, like that. Oops. Turn the snake this way. 1, 2, we turn this triangle away from us, turning the snake this way. 1, 2, we turn this triangle away from us like that, turning the snake this way. This last triangle we turn it in this direction like that. Okay, so turning the puzzle this way. All we do now is to move this one in this direction, so this white triangle and this white triangle meet up. And there you have it. The 24 piece magic snake has now been made into a ball. Thanks for watching.